Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. I'm doing a review in this video of HMS Victory. It's a 50p collection from the Isle of Man. With these coins, there are 5 50p's. We have the logo or the logo of HMS Victory. We have the ship itself under sail, and we have the description of HMS Victory, the 50p collection. There is a bit of blurb on the inside cover which I'm going to read to you. HMS Victory was originally launched in 1765 and was commissioned in 1778. Over a period of 34 years until 1812. HMS Victory took part in 5 naval battles. Trafalgar is not only the most famous of these, but also the last. She battled the French during the American Revolutionary War, and the Spanish at the Battle of Cape St. Vincent. But she's undoubtedly most famous as Nelson's flagship during the victory at Trafalgar. In 1922, HMS Victory was in such a poor condition that it was moved into dry dock in Portsmouth, and it's been there ever since. Restoration has taken place over the years and it has continued to this day to preserve one of the most important vessels in British naval history. So that's the blurb, and these coins celebrate 100 years in dock, 100 years in dry dock in Portsmouth. And I did make a mistake for which I apologise. It is not an Isle of Man set, it is a Jersey set. Let's just get this into focus for you. It's from 2022 and it has Elizabeth II, Bailiwick of Jersey with the date. So this is the only obverse that is visible in this set. The others are all around this outside area. So let's go to the inside coins. And let's see if I can get a bit more. Whoops, without losing the focus too much. Let's take it down a bit. This first one here, oops, let me get him in, is Lord Nelson. You have the 50p, you have Horatio Nelson or Lord Nelson in his portrait format. Lovely coin. This one is a great coin. It's lovely to see ships trains and such like on coins, particularly the older ones. This is a ship that's in full sail, and it's called HMS Victory under sail. Beautiful coin. The middle coin of the 5 is one of the most well-known views of Victory, which is the stern, and where the captain's cabin would have been on this area up here somewhere on towards the upper decks. But this stern is very ornate and is possibly one of the better known views of Victory. This coin here shows a couple of people firing one of the cannons on HMS Victory. There are several decks with cannons on it. This just happens to show a couple of people firing one of the big, was it 18 pounders I think they were on board. And one of the ways that Nelson used this was to actually ricochet the cannon ball off the water to hit on or around the water line of the opposing ships, and they sunk a few doing that. The other one was to use grape shot and to tear the sails apart to stop them being able to sail too quickly away from and attack and all the rest of it. There was also one where they used to, and it was like a ball, a length of steel, and then another ball, and it used to fire, and they used to have chains as well between two balls, and it used to send them spinning, and it used to knock the sails, the actual masts themselves, down. So there was plenty of fairly ugly musicians that these sort of cannons could use, and of course also they did huge damage itself just by firing their standard cannonballs. The last one is a shot showing the death of Lord Nelson on the actual poop deck, I think it was, where he actually fell. He was shot from a mast from an opposing French ship during the battle, and the musket ball actually entered into him, obviously, and he was taken below so as not to allow the people who was sailing and fighting at that time to know that, to witness Nelson's death and possibly lower the morale of the fighting men. So he was shot, he was comforted, he was moved down to the galleys below. One of the galleys below that was being acted as a surgical place, and he died with a couple of the other officers from his ship around him. It is rumoured that the saying "Kiss me hardy" didn't actually happen. How true, it's nothing has been written from contemporary people who witnessed Nelson's death to say anything like that actually did happen. Although he did die in the arms of some of the other officers. So those are the 5 coins. What do you think of them? I think they're a great set. Whoops. I think they're a great set to view. I think they're a lovely set in total. Tell me, Trafalgar, whereabouts did the Battle of Trafalgar happen? There's a question for you to try and answer down in the comments below. I'll be interested to find out if anybody actually knows. The Rowdy Brownie points up for grabs, but it'd be interesting to see if anybody else actually does know where the battle was. I would imagine there'll be quite a few of you. There are a lot of non-triple coin collectors around. So, hello, sorry about that, my battery ran out. Where was I up to? Yeah, I've asked the question, where about is the battle that Nelson died at, the Trafalgar battle, which country or off which country's coastline did that battle take place? I'll be interested to see if anybody knows. I would imagine there's a fair few knowledgeable coin tubers and people who may be viewing this one. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you like. I am looking to expand my subscriptions again this year. I'm aiming for 200. Whether I get there or not, I don't know. So if you haven't yet subscribed, I would be delighted if you join me in the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes, etc., etc. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you who have bought coins, I hope you can buy them at the right price that you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching. Bye bye and ta-da now.